How to delete Snapchat call history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Snapchat call history. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Clear Conversation. And now here you will see a list of your Snapchat contacts. And to remove the call history from specific friends, find their name on the list and next to their name simply tap on X icon on the right side and a prompt will pop up saying, "Are you sure you want to clear this conversation?" So simply tap on Clear to confirm. And just like that, the call history with that person is gone. You can repeat this process for any other Snapchat contact as needed. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Snapchat call history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.